How to stop someone from taking screenshots on Instagram story. Instagram does not offer a direct way to prevent someone from taking screenshots of his story, but here is a way to reduce this risk of screenshots. First of all, open the Instagram app on a mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Then simply tap on the profile picture of yours at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the profile section. Once in your profile, tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and tap on the account privacy. Change your account to private so that only approved followers can view your stories and it can reduce the screenshot in Instagram story. Now once done so, go back to the settings in privacy and scroll down and tap on the limit interaction option available there. And make sure that the limit interaction is turned on. You can limit all the new followers and the people you don't follow back. And that is it. If you are really concerned about screenshots, avoid posting sensitive or personal content that you wouldn't want others to capture as well. Although Instagram does not block its screenshots directly, these steps will help you control who can access and share your content. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.